Okay, today we'll talk about US dollar, US dollar longs. I will talk about gold, about Bitcoin. I will take a look on all markets, and I will try to identify new setups, high probability setups. I will share my trades if I'll have a high probability trade. If you have questions, guys, you can send an email to. Sorry, if you have questions, you can. Type your questions into that YouTube chat, and yeah, personally I will try to answer to your questions, but please, guys, tell me what you are looking at, your levels, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, if you are a bull, a bear, your levels. Okay, time frame, risk disclaimer, please read it, guys. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Support if you have questions, guys, right? And don't forget that Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. Please be careful. The only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is if you'll send an email to support, guys. Earlier today, prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment came in worse than expected, but the DXY remains bullish. Earlier today, guys, I've talked about this retreat. Okay, Allegra, hi, how are you? Faisal, hi, how are you? How is everybody doing? So I've talked about this retreat here, and I said that maybe it could find the support here. Okay, sliding line. Okay, and right now it has rallied. It continues to challenge this supply area, supply zone, but staying above the medium line here, in my opinion, could signal potential further growth, and further growth here should force the US dollar to dominate the currency market. One moment, because I want to invite more members. One moment. USD CAD. So if you are a VIP member, guys, personally I'm still keeping that pending order in US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and I will talk about the thought process behind that pending order here during this live session, and I'm looking for something else. So as I've said, 1 hour chart here, the dollar index. Yeah, mixed economic data, but it seems that the PPI, core PPI, forced the DXY to jump higher, and maybe the US dollar could appreciate versus rivals. That's why let's take a look. I will look for potential US dollar longs. US dollar longs. Yeah, no, USD, Euro USD. No. It's almost to hit this order block here. It's almost to hit that support. No, only maybe a rebound here could bring us new shorts right now. No, I don't want to sell it here, because it could hit this support, and then it could rebound. British pound US dollar. Today, guys, the British pound US dollar rallied in the short term only because and the British pound, the US dollar rallied here in the short term only because today the United Kingdom gross domestic product, prelim GDP, construction output, goods trade balance, index of services, industrial production, manufacturing production, prelim business investment came in better than expected. So a natural rally here, but yeah. Right now, the sell-off, maybe it could only retest here, but no, I don't think I'll have a high probability setup and a high probability trade on this market here. Maybe I would like the price to come back here to retest, but no, I really hate this sideways movement here. No, USD, Japanese yen. Let's take a look here, because the bias is still bullish, and personally I've talked about this market in my daily video analysis, and I said that that this could represent only a temporary retreat, and if it stays above the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, it could extend its growth. I said that that 145.0707 represent historical level upside the obstacle. Right now, false breakdown with great separation. Maybe the price could still maybe it could still try to retest here the medium line, maybe the demand zone again before jumping higher. And yeah, probably. And I said also today that staying above the medium line here and making a new higher high could also signal potential breakout above 145.0707, guys. Yeah. USD CAD is dropping. Alegria. Yeah, let's take a look. DXY. Yeah, the DXY rallied. Okay, it has yeah, maybe I will delete this pitchfork, ascending pitchfork. The DXY retreats. Okay, maybe it's natural and normal after the prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment came in worse than expected. Okay, but it could drop, and it could approach and reach this zone, and then it could jump higher. Okay, and if the scenario will take shape, guys, then let's take a look. USD CAD, because personally I have a pending order. Yeah, I have a pending order here on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and right now the price is still above my entry here on US dollar Canadian dollar. And this is the thought process, guys, here. Okay, this was sent into the VIP group. So this person, I will share my updates and trade management only in the VIP group. Okay, and escaping from this pattern here, strong rally, and personally I've expected a retreat, and here personally I have also a medium line of a major ascending pitchfork, and after this amazing rally it could come back down to retest the medium line and the demand zone before developing a new swing higher and leg higher, guys. So personally I will come back with my trade management and with an update into the VIP group if the price will reach my entry, and if I will decide, I don't know, maybe to manage my position. Yeah, and this is my opinion, and this is my thought process here. This was sent into the VIP group, so this was only a VIP setup, guys. USD Swiss franc. Okay, USD Swiss franc. Yeah, it has reached the former highs, supply resistance here. You can see that it has reached the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, and right now it has reached a new false breakout. Yeah, in the short term, as I've said, if the DXY drops, then the US dollar could lose some ground versus its rivals, but in my opinion, after what happened also yesterday here, personally I don't want to sell it. Maybe I'm looking only for longs, but I don't have a setup here, a really good setup or a high probability setup and trade here. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, it's too late maybe to sell it. It has reached this former low, only false breakdown, so maybe a potential rebound could bring us new short opportunities. Only because it's Friday, I will take a quick look on all markets, and only if I'll have something really good, I will share my trade. Okay, and if you have questions, yeah, you can send the questions, and I will be happy to answer to your questions. Australian dollar, US dollar, yeah, after reaching support, maybe temporary rebound, only because right now, yeah, as I've said, the DXY could try to retreat a little after reaching this supply zone again, after reaching the former highs, but staying near this supply zone could also signal an imminent breakout and upside continuation. Hassan, US 30, potential shorts. Can you please show us US 30? Let's take a look. Potential shorts. I don't know what to say about potential shorts right now on US equities, only because as long as the DXY drops, the US equities could rebound, okay, could rebound in the short term. So let's take a look US 30, because you asked me about US 30. US 30. Yeah, it challenges a supply zone here on 1 hour. Let's take a look, 4 hour. But okay, personally, I have here 1, 2, and 3 on ascending pitchfork, a strong rally, value breakout above the medium line, rally towards the upper medium line. Right now, it has moved sideways here. It has tested, retested, actually it has registered the false breakdown grade separation below the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Advanced life, that's not my trade. Yeah, when I'll share my trades and videos, content, you will see my name under my trade, okay? Advanced life. Yeah, so personally, I'm talking about US 30 right now. 1, 2, and 3, as I said. So right now it has reached the lower medium line, which represents a downside obstacle, a support, dynamic support. It has registered the false breakdown with great separation, as I've said. What is the best entry for? Okay, one moment. I have to take a look on something. One moment. Okay, so as I've said, the false breakdown with great separation below the lower medium line, and right now, guys, yeah, it challenges a supply zone, immediate supply zone. But as I've said, guys, if the DXY extends its sell-off in the short term after worse than expected prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment, then maybe US 30 could extend its rally. So right now, no, I don't want to sell it. Hassan, yeah, you said the US 30 potential shorts. In my opinion, no, I don't have a potential short right now. Actually, I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait because it could, as I've said, it could extend its rally. It could approach and reach the supply zone. Yeah, only because the DXY crashes. Okay, and personally, I really like to use this correlation, guys. And when the DXY drops, maybe the US equities could jump higher. Okay, it's not a perfect correlation, but personally, I'm using it. I'm using it like that correlation between the DXY and gold and silver. So let's take a look also on gold, because Charles Lincoln asked me about gold. Personally, I will not tell you what to do, to buy or to sell, because I'm not a financial advisor. It's your decision. It's your call. It's your trading account. I don't know your risk. Okay, but personally, when I have something, I'm sharing my trades, and it's up to you if you want to follow my trades. It's fine. Okay, if you want to follow my management, my trade management, it's fine. Okay. Let's take a look on gold, guys. So gold, USD CAD, first of all, let's see. I believe that the price, the price is almost to hit my entry, but let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Okay. About gold. Gold. I've talked about USD CAD, about the thought process. Personally, I'm keeping my pending order. Okay, it's up to you. If it doesn't make sense to you, yeah, don't trade. Don't follow my trades. Okay, or if you don't understand the process, the thought process, or the rationale behind the setup, so, or if you cannot afford maybe to lose 0.2, 0.3% of the trading account, you should stay away. So gold, technically, it had developed a potential falling wedge pattern, but this pattern, this potential reversal pattern, is far from being confirmed. Okay, no, I don't have anything on gold. Someone asked me about what is the best entry for gold buy. I don't know, because right now maybe a valid breakout here above the downtrend line, taking out the downtrend line, stabilizing above the downtrend line, making a new higher high could signal a potential upwards movement. But right now, no, I don't want to buy it. I don't want to sell it either, because this sideways movement here could signal it exhausted the sellers, and I will look for longs if the price comes back towards this zone, towards the former lows. Okay, or I will look for longs after taking out the downtrend line. Okay, after valid breakout, retests, maybe I will look for longs. Okay, because a valid breakout here, maybe it could be validated. Also, this supply zone could signal that the downside movement ended. Personally, I will use here something pitchfork, something like this. Okay, and right now, it has failed to stay stabilized below the lower medium line here, and personally, I have something like a potential flag here. That's why it's very important for me the price to take out here that inside sliding line, to make a new higher high, to take out the weekly S1 here, and only then I could signal potential further growth in the short term. But right now, no, I don't want to buy it right now, and I don't want to place a buy stop here. Okay, because it could only register false breakouts. Silver. Maybe we'll have something on silver after this false breakdown, great separation here below the former low. Below the former low. False breakdown, great separation. And right now it could develop maybe something here. But maybe I would like to see something like this. Okay, breakout here, a new higher high, and then the price to come back to retest this new order block. Okay, before jumping higher. Maybe this could be my my next trade, and this could be potential setup here in silver. But right now it's premature. It's premature to talk about something like this. I need confirmation, and also here maybe on 15 minutes, taking out here, retesting could signal something. But I still need the confirmation. Okay. On silver, guys. But the price action, signaled that maybe we have, after this massive drop and sell-off, the sellers are exhausted, the exhausted sellers. but we need confirmation, or actually I need confirmation here, okay? Because personally I would have liked maybe the price to come all the way down and then to reach this demand zone and then to turn to the upside, okay? Okay, US oil. Yeah, about US oil, personally I was looking for potential shorts after reaching this upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork, guys. You can see here that that person I have on ascending pitchfork, 1 2 3 1 2 3, and here the price reached the upper medium line, the dynamic resistance, and then turned it to the downside. And but unfortunately maybe I've missed something, or I don't know, I didn't had a setup, a really good setup here. The price only reached here and then it has turned to the downside. It has failed to maybe to make a new lower low, to test retest here and then to drop. Right now US oil rallied in the short term only because the USD dropped a little in the short term, but no, I don't have anything really good right now here. US 30 again. Yeah, it continues to challenge here this supply zone. Yeah, we cannot exclude also a new retreat after this amazing rally, after this gap. Maybe the price could try to close this gap before jumping higher. Yeah, all kind of scenarios here, guys, on this market. DXY. Yeah, don't forget, guys, to like the video. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. Yeah, this could be only a temporary maybe drop here, a temporary retreat on the DXY before jumping higher. That's why I will keep an eye on the DXY. I will keep an eye on my pending order, US dollar, Canadian dollar, and if I will have something else, something really good, USD, Singapore dollar, for example. Let's take a look. Let's take a look here on US dollar, Singapore dollar, but now I don't have a good setup here. Yeah, yesterday maybe we missed something after this force breakdown, a great separation here below this this former low. But as I've said, the DXY is could still extend its sell-off, could resume its upwards movement despite this temporary retreat. But let's wait. South African Rand. No, I don't want to sell it. Use this Mexican peso. Mexican peso. Mexican peso. About this market, yeah, but no, I don't want to do anything here. retest, false breakout with great separation, or actually false breakout, sell off, the medium line as support, rebound. Yeah, maybe we've had something only here after reaching retesting that supply. Maybe we've had an opportunity, but right now it's too late to go short because this could represent only temporary sell-off to reach this zone, and then now let's take a look again. USD CAD. Yeah, it was almost to hit my entry. It has failed to hit my entry, guys, but yeah, I'm still keeping this pending order because it could reach my entry. It could still reach my entry, and then boom. Okay, but I will come back with an update into the VIP group if I will decide to keep my trade, if I will decide to manage my trade, or to delete the pending order if the price fails to hit the entry. Retreat here on Bitcoin, guys, short term after this amazing rally. And personally, maybe I'm looking for longs for potential buying opportunities on Bitcoin. Yeah, it could come back down to retest here before jumping higher, or a new higher high. Could also signal maybe a potential upwards movement, because please take a look here. Sell off, sideways movement. The price failed to stabilize below this former low, 29,352, and yeah, retesting here could signal potential upwards movement. Okay, here on Bitcoin. Are you interested in trading cryptocurrencies? Also here, guys, Ethereum. Yeah, a breakout, guys, breakout above the upper medium line here. Okay, after this amazing rally, a retreat was natural. The price retested the upper medium line here, and in my opinion, as long as it stays here above the immediate low here, above the pivot point, it could try maybe to develop an upwards movement here on Ethereum. Okay, it seems that you don't have questions, guys. Maybe I will end my webinar here, because personally I would have liked to have a conversation here, but it seems that you don't have questions. But I will end this webinar here. I will come back with my updates about USD CAD, and yeah, I will share new trades, high probability setups soon. Yeah, 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 it's about to trigger. Yeah, personally I'm waiting for the price to hit USD CAD entry. Here the price reached my entry, but let's take a look. I will take a look on my real account, because I don't think that the price reached my entry. No, I still have that buy limit on my real account. Maybe the price is different. No, because of spread or something, the price didn't fill it my entry, but I'm still waiting, yeah, for the price to maybe to fill my entry, to reach my target, sorry, my entry. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired. I'll wait. Yeah, I will come back with an update when the price reaches my entry, also in my real account. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. US 30, a strong rally, because the DXY is bearish. Okay, guys. Okay. Personally, I will end this my webinar here. Nothing really important right now. I will try to identify new entries maybe later. Yen basket. Let's take a look on yen basket actually to take a look on yeah, yen basket still under pressure. British pound, Japanese yen. Yeah, it's too late right now because it's at the former high. Euro, Japanese. I don't think that I have Japanese yen shorts. Euro, Japanese yen. Euro, Japanese yen. False breakdown, great separation. GBP, and do you think it will start its downside? No. Guys, yen basket strongly bearish. Okay, if it makes a new lower low, if it takes out if the yen basket invalidates this demand zone, if it takes out this this former low, then it could open the door for a larger downside movement. More declines here should signal that the Japanese yen could lose more ground versus its rivals. So if this scenario will take shape, then British pound Japanese yen should extend its growth. False breakdown with great separation also here. Strong rally on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, maybe we've missed something, a potential long, but right now it's too late. I don't want to buy it here. I don't want to buy it right below the former high. But yeah, maybe I will look for a potential long here on US dollar Japanese yen after the DXY ends its sell-off. Okay, if the DXY ends its sell-off, maybe here. Okay, maybe I will look for a potential long on US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, gold. What about gold? It's still there. Okay, I talked about gold. You can watch this webinar again later. You can visit our YouTube channel, and you will find this webinar, the video, in the live webinars playlist. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Personally, I will come back with an update. Yeah, actually, the trade, my USD CAD got triggered as well, guys, and is in profit in the short term. Personally, I will come back with an update into the VIP group and with my trade management, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend, and don't forget to like the video. Personally, I will come back with my management as my USD CAD got triggered. Bye-bye.